like to put before you the perspective for India as a country when Honorable Prime Minister is looking at the progress of the country and reaching a target of becoming a 5 trillion economy by the year 2025. That 5 trillion economy cannot happen unless we migrate from the quest for government jobs and the government sector, and most of you become from scientists, innovators and startups and ultimately business people. Same applies to the target of achieving 10 trillion economy status for India in 2030. All over the world, India is considered a very competitive industrial power and also a startup power. We are having 72,000 startups, and the last one decade, especially in the last few years, our addition to the startups is the highest in the world. India is already having 114 unicorns. We are just behind China with about 230 unicorns, and with the United States of America with about 500 unicorns. However, the addition of the new unicorns is highest in India. The addition of startups in India is the highest in India. I would like to give you the message from Honorable Lieutenant Governor and from the government that the government is very keen and very giving a lot of emphasis to convert most of you into innovators and also into startups, because the government sector is now looking at more or less shrinking itself. So there will be not too many government jobs in the future. We go for what is called science popularization programs, the seed capital scheme. We provide seed capital. If any scientist has an idea, we provide them initial seed capital, not only to create the prototype, but also if the idea is sufficient, we give them more funding also. We also have a concept where we give scholarships to children. Those brilliant children who are studying in various streams of science, we provide them scholarships. A total of about 20 institutions. We have sponsored 123 projects, and the total amount involved is about 13 to 14 crores. We are trying to also come up with two very big biotechnology parks costing around 96 crore rupees. These parks will also have job opportunities for all of you. National Innovation Foundation every year identifies 4 lakh children. 4 lakh children in India who can give a simple idea through an email to the NIF, and if your idea is suitable, is a scientific idea, you are given 20,000 rupees by Government of India. And out of those people whose ideas are taken to the prototype level, 1 lakh children are given 50,000 rupees. And out of those children, about 5,000 children are sent to Japan to develop their idea and convert into science. Children go to Bangladesh or to Russia and get a medical degree, which at the end does not lead to a job. I think it's better that kind of money can be spent in an innovation, and a very good business can be created, and not only will you give employment to yourself, but also to a lot of other brothers and sisters. So I think it is necessary that all of us work hard, and I would like that after a few years, among all of you, there could be a lot of businessmen, inventors and startups.
We must develop a culture of this entrepreneurship, incubation, innovation. This culture can be developed only when we have these kind of programs. Once we will develop the culture, then we will be in a position to come to the market, to connect academia and industry. Department of Science and Technology is in a hunt to see, to invite rather, people who will come forward and will work for the betterment of not only their own self, for the country, for the state and for other stakeholders as well.
The aims of this workshop is to provide seed money to the innovators who are going to present their innovations in front of the expert committee. I would like to inform that under the Science Population Program, Department has recently organized various events in schools and colleges. 123 R&D projects have been sponsored so far by this department. Out of 123, 8 projects are from SP College Srinagar. Innovation and patent filing. We have provided the seed money to 20 innovators so far during the last financial year, and we are expecting to give seed money to 150 innovators this year.
जैसे हमारे कमिश्नर साहब आए थे, उन्होंने भी बोला कि जिस बच्चे के पास भी आइडिया होगा हम उसको सपोर्ट करेंगे फाइनेंशियली, जिस तरह का भी उसको सपोर्ट चाहिए हम देंगे उसको, तो वो बहुत बड़ी बात है हमारे लिए।
इनोवेशन एंड स्टार्टअप जो इन्होंने स्टार्ट किया ये बहुत ही अच्छा आइडिया है, और हमने भी पार्टिसिपेट किया है। यूथ को सामने आना चाहिए, सबके पास आइडियाज़ होते हैं, बस एक प्लेटफॉर्म चाहिए होता है जो कि आपको गवर्नमेंट प्रोवाइड कर रही है।
आई एम ऑल्सो हेयर टुडे विद माई इनोवेटिव आइडिया दैट इज़ रिगार्डिंग सम टेक्नोलॉजी, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस एंड मशीन लर्निंग।
मैंने भी ये वर्कशॉप अटेंड किया और मैंने बहुत सारे इनोवेटर्स के इनोवेशंस सुने और कुछ इनोवेशन मुझे अच्छे लगे।
जो मेक इन इंडिया का ख्वाब है वो पूरा होगा, क्योंकि अब इंडिया में ही हमें वो प्लेटफॉर्म्स मिल रहे हैं, वो रिसोर्सेज मिल रहे हैं, स्पेशली फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट, जो पहले नहीं मिलते थे।
बहुत सारे आइडियाज़ हैं, इनोवेटिव आइडियाज़ लोगों के दिमाग में, वो शेयर करेंगे गवर्नमेंट के साथ और गवर्नमेंट उन पे सीड मनी खर्चाएगी। जो इनोवेटिव आइडियाज़ है ये फार्मर्स लेवल, जो हमारे बेसिक अप्लाइड रिसर्च जिसको हम कहते हैं, उसमें हो, ताकि हमारे जो कॉमन पीपल है उनको फ़ायदा पहुँचे।
हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर का जो इनिशिएटिव है कि यूथ को हम स्किलफुल बनाए, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप मतलब सिखाए लोगों को और स्टार्टअप्स की तरफ ले जाए, तो ये बहुत अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है।
हमारे लिए पाथवेज खुल गए और हम आगे लुक फॉरवर्ड कर सकते हैं।
बहुत अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है और आगे जाके और ऐसे वर्कशॉप्स होने चाहिए जिसकी वजह से स्टूडेंट्स को और ब्रॉडर वे में ये पता चले कि हम गवर्नमेंट जॉब या बाकी सारे जॉब सेक्टर से बाहर हट के भी अपना काम शुरू कर सकते हैं।
डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी में फैसिलिटीज़ हैं, उनको आप अवेल करें। वो चाहते हैं कि स्टूडेंट्स जो है वो आइडियाज़ लेकर आए और डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी जो है वो उनको फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड करेगा और उनके ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे MOUs हैं, जिसमें से इन्होंने आज हमारे साथ भी एक MOU साइन किया।
I'm happy to announce that last year Department of Science and Technology has awarded the scholarships to 150 students at all the 3 levels. So we are going to felicitate some of them here who are present. I will request my worthy Commissioner Secretary to Government, Science Technology Department, Mr. Saurabh Bhagat ji, to please distribute the citations among the awardees.